Hi lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are new here, my name is Deborah and I am a faith and lifestyle content creator based in Lagos, Nigeria. Today's video is a little different. I recently got a new tripod stand to support my content creation journey, and I just thought, why not do a proper unboxing and share my first impression with you. It just got delivered from Create With Ease. I ordered the Yunteng 3388 tripod stand. Here's what came in the pack: the tripod stand itself, the Bluetooth remote, a phone holder clip, and a pouch. She left me a note. I don't know if you can see it, but she said, "Hi Deborah, here's a little something for you just because." And honestly, for 19,500, this looks promising. Here I was trying to bring out what is inside. This is the phone holder clip, and I just saw the remote, the Bluetooth remote. Yeah, that's it. That's the Bluetooth remote. Then inside the pack, I saw a USB to charge the Bluetooth remote. And this is also another clip of how it looks like. Then this is the tripod stand itself. Right here, I was trying to set up this tripod. It was really difficult to do, but it's actually very simple because it's my first time. Okay, so I love that it extends really tall, about 5 feet, so I can stand to film my vlogs, affirmations, prayer videos, or even my fashion looks. It also feels stable for its weight, and the remote will be so helpful for shooting it alone. This is my first official tripod stand, and I already feel more organized and intentional about my content. My brother was kind enough to join me in setting up the tripod stand, and yeah, that's what we're doing here, trying to check, and you can see how tall it is, 5 feet. Yes, so if you are a new content creator or trying to grow on YouTube, Instagram, or even TikTok, this tripod is a great entry-level investment. I've been using my XR for 4 years now, and my brother was kind enough to help me use his phone, that's 14 Pro, to shoot this video. Yes, the plan was to actually use my XL, but you know, iPhone and space wahala, so I had to, my brother helped me with his phone, and that was what I used to shoot this video. So I'll leave the vendor's details in the description box if you would like to check it out. Thanks for watching my unboxing. Let me know in the comments if you would like me to show you other tools that I use, like lighting, editing apps, or even my filming process. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.